In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load original price and discounted price on Gumroad. If you want shoppers to see a clear strike-through of the original price right next to the reduced price at checkout, you'll do that by creating a discount inside your Gumroad dashboard. This makes your promotion obvious, builds trust, and helps conversions. Start by signing in and heading to your dashboard. On the left sidebar, open discounts. This is the control center for every promotion you run and where you'll manage, pause, or edit codes. Click New Discount to begin. Give your discount a name that makes sense to you later, something descriptive like Summer Launch 20 or Press Promo, so you can quickly identify it in reports and during support. Next, set the actual discount code customers will enter at checkout. Keep it short, memorable, and easy to type. Avoid lookalike characters to reduce errors and keep a consistent naming style across campaigns. Choose which products this discount applies to. You can target a single product, select several, or apply it to all products if you're running a store-wide promotion. Being specific helps you avoid accidental markdowns on items you didn't intend to include. If you have many listings, use search and double-check the selections. You can always adjust them later. Now type the discount value and choose how it's calculated. Percentage is great for broad sales and scales with price, while a fixed amount can create eye-catching round numbers. Think about the final price customers will see. Clean rounded prices are often easier to process. As a quick sanity check, make sure the fixed discount doesn't exceed the product price. Open the settings to fine-tune the rules. You can limit the total quantity of times this code can be used, which is handy for early bird offers or budget control. Once the limit is reached, the code stops automatically. You can also limit the validity period by setting start and end dates, so the code only works during your campaign window. Keep your account time zone in mind when planning start and end times. If you want to reward your community, limit the code to existing customers. That way it functions as a loyalty perk. For cart-based incentives, set a minimum qualifying amount so the discount only applies when the order meets your threshold. And if your product allows multiple quantities, set a minimum quantity to encourage bigger bundles. That's it. With this discount created, Gumroad will automatically show the original price and the discounted price on the checkout page whenever the code is applied, giving buyers transparent, confidence-boosting savings. Use clear names, sensible limits, and precise dates to keep your promotions organized and effective.